What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to Tech Intro, the place where we simplify gadgets and bring you the best tech picks. Today, we're reviewing the top USB Wi-Fi adapters in 2025, based on real benchmarks and trusted reviews, not hype. Let's dive in. Is your Wi-Fi slow, dropping out, or just not taking full advantage of your brand new Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 router? Don't worry, you don't need to crack open your PC or spend hundreds on upgrades. A good USB Wi-Fi adapter can fix all of that in seconds. Before we jump into the list, here's what really matters in 2025 when choosing a Wi-Fi adapter. Wi-Fi standards. Wi-Fi 6 and 6E are now standard, and Wi-Fi 7 is just arriving. Dual or tri-band support. Look for 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz, especially if you've got a Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 router. Antenna design. External antennas give you stronger signals, while compact designs are easier to carry. USB 3.0 or 3.2. Faster ports mean better speeds, and some adapters include a stand for flexible placement. To make this list, I checked benchmarks and reviews from top sources so you don't waste money on the wrong pick. All product links are in the description. Number 1, MSIBE6500 Dajoje Wi-Fi 7 Performance King. This adapter is seriously fast. On Wi-Fi 7, it pushed close to 2 gigabits per second. That's huge for a USB stick. The stand also helps you place it where the signal is strongest, which actually makes a difference if your router's not right next to you. The flip side is the price. It's not cheap, and like most USB adapters, it can't quite match a proper PCIe card. But if you want something that's future-proof and ready for Wi-Fi 7, this is as good as it gets right now. Number 2, Netgear Nighthawk. A 8,000 Hactor easy upgrade. What I like here is how painless it is. Just plug it in, and you've got 6 GHz support without opening your computer. Netgear's known for reliability, and the little flip antenna with the cradle helps you angle it for better reception. The catch is, it only works on Windows, and you'll need Windows 11 to unlock the 6 GHz band. So, if you're already on Win 11 and don't want any setup headaches, this is probably the easiest upgrade you can buy. Number 3, Archer TGen20 GLU Plus Ojix mid-tier pick. This one hits the sweet spot for most people. You get Wi-Fi 6 speeds, decent range thanks to the dual antennas, and the extension cable means you can position it away from your PC for better performance. It is a bit bulky and mostly geared for Windows users, but the performance for the price makes it a very practical mid-range choice if you don't need Wi-Fi 7 yet. Number 4, TrendNet AC1900 Wi-Fi 5 Powerhouse. This adapter looks like a mini router with its 4 antennas, but the payoff is rock-solid stability and really good range. It even works with macOS, which is a nice bonus. Of course, it's big and clunky compared to other USB adapters, and it doesn't support Wi-Fi 6 or 7. But if you're sticking with Wi-Fi 5 or 6 and want reliable performance for gaming or streaming, this thing is a workhorse. Number 5, TP-Link Archer T3U/T3U Plus Nest budget pick. This one's all about affordability and convenience. It's small, easy to set up, and handles everyday browsing or streaming just fine. The adjustable antenna on the Plus version also helps a bit with range. But let's be real, it won't compete with the bigger adapters. Speeds are modest, and range can drop off if you're far from the router. Still, as a budget-friendly option or a backup adapter, it's a solid little device. Let's wrap up. And that's our list of the best USB Wi-Fi adapters in 2025. From the blazing fast MSI B6500 to the budget-friendly Archer T3U, there's an option here for every setup and budget. If you're on Wi-Fi 5 or 6, the value picks will keep you connected without breaking the bank. If you're ready for the future, the MS-IBE 6500 or Nighthawk A800 will take full advantage of the latest routers. Don't forget, all product links are in the description. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to Tech Intro, and drop a comment on which adapter you're using right now. See you in the next one.